there's a spark behind the scenes, holding together industries across the globe. It builds the cars we drive, the plows that harvest our food, the rockets that reach new frontiers. That spark is brought to you by Wire Wizard Welding Products. Family-owned, proudly American-made, and built right here in Jackson, Michigan, Wire Wizard has become a global leader in welding innovation. With a portfolio of patents that keeps growing, Wire Wizard doesn't just manufacture welding solutions, they invent them. At Wire Wizard, innovation is a process. It starts with an idea, designed with purpose, protected by patents, perfected through testing, then brought to life through full-scale production. Each step hyper-focused on revolutionizing their industry. This ironclad process has led to over hundreds of patents in their 40 years in business. Their products have redefined arc welding performance and optimized welding productivity for manufacturers around the globe. But the true engine behind Wire Wizard's success? A culture of innovation. A team of experts who believe that great is never enough. Even in a world of industry giants, Wire Wizard stands tall by thinking bigger, building better, and staying true to their roots. Built with purpose, backed by ingenuity, holding the world together. It's unapologetically and proudly built here.